Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last giveaway and I think that this is a good opportunity for a new one. First of all, because Banggood are having their summer sale and they agreed to sponsor it, and I'm also going on a vacation tomorrow for 2 weeks and I didn't manage to finish all the reviews that I planned on time, so I think that this is going to be a small compensation. The prize is the new Foxeer Mix 2, which has a couple of improvements over the first version, which I'm holding in my hands, and hopefully I'm going to get it by the time I'm going to be back from my vacation and I will be able to test it out. Participating in the giveaway is extremely easy. All you have to do is just to leave a comment down below, make sure to be subscribed to my channel, and also hit the notifications bell so in case you are the winner, you're not going to miss out. I'm going to put some links in the description box down below to Banggood's promotion pages for their summer sale, and in case you want to make a purchase, please use the links down below because it's going to help to grow my channel. Now, by the way, I also planned another giveaway which is going to be released next week, so stay tuned. As always, I would like to thank all my subscribers for your continued support and also Banggood for sponsoring this giveaway. I wish you all good luck and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.